If you are teaching the sound for the letter X, then don't go for the words like xylophone and X-ray, because in these words, letter X is not representing its sound X. Instead of doing this, you can choose these kind of letters like words like fox, box. Have you observed that in fox, letter X is at the end and it is saying its sound X. Similarly in box. So this is the correct way to teach the sound for the letter X. So don't follow the regular pattern which is presented in books. So subscribe for more and follow me on Facebook.